Hey everyone, thanks for joining me today. I'm super excited to share with you a brand new method for getting unlimited Chrono Crystals in Dragon Ball Legends. Whether you're a new player or a seasoned veteran, this trick is going to take your game to the next level. I've already used this method myself, so let me open up the game and show you that it really works. As you can see, I have an insane amount of Chrono Crystals. It's absolutely amazing to have so many resources. The best part about this method is that it's very easy and straightforward. You don't need any special skills to do this. No jailbreaking, no complicated steps. Just a simple process that anyone can follow. Imagine all the characters and items you can unlock with unlimited Chrono Crystals. You'll be able to enjoy the game to its fullest without any restrictions. It's a game changer for sure. Alright guys, if you're ready, let's dive into the tutorial and start boosting your Chrono Crystals in Dragon Ball Legends. Before you can use this method, there are some settings you need to change. These settings apply only for iOS devices. If you are on an Android device, you can skip this part and move on to the next step. First of all, you need to make sure that your Dragon Ball Legends game is updated to the latest version. To check that, simply go to the App Store and see if there is any update available for the game. If there is, download and install it right away. If not, then you are good to go. Next thing you need to do is go to your settings and make sure that your battery saver mode is turned off. This mode can interfere with the MOD menu and prevent it from working properly. So, make sure that your battery saver mode is off before proceeding further. What you need to do next is open up your internet browser, in my case it will be Safari, and go to the website called lucidapk.com. Lucidapk.com is a website where you can find many modded apps and games with amazing features. Once you are on the website, search for DB Legends and click on it. Here you will see some information about the app. To start the download, click on the blue download button and wait some time for the installation to finish. However, there is one more step that you need to complete before you can finish the installation. This step may vary depending on your device model and operating system, and usually involves some pretty simple steps. Don't worry, this step is very easy and quick, and there will be a video tutorial on how to complete it. Just follow the instructions and you should be fine. So, that's it guys. If you enjoyed this video, make sure to leave a comment, like, and subscribe. Thanks for watching, and see you next time.